In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Copilot Pro and boost your productivity with AI for home users. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Microsoft Copilot website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site before continuing, especially when you'll be signing in and entering payment information later. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Next, log in with your personal Microsoft account. If you already use Microsoft services like Outlook, OneDrive, Word, or Xbox, you may already have one. If not, you can create a new account at this stage by following the on-screen prompts. Take your time here and make sure you're signing in with the account you want connected to your Copilot Pro subscription, since this is the account you'll use to access the features afterward. After you're signed in, look for the Copilot Pro subscription option. Depending on the page layout, you may find it directly on the homepage or inside your account dashboard. Click on that option to continue. This will take you to the subscription page where you can review what's included with Copilot Pro. At this point, read through the subscription benefits and pricing details for home users. This is where you can confirm what features are available and make sure the plan matches your needs. When you're ready to move forward, click the button to subscribe or begin your upgrade. You'll then be taken to a secure checkout window. Enter your preferred payment method along with your billing details. As always, double check the information you enter to avoid any issues with processing. Since this is a secure payment step, make sure you're on a trusted connection and review everything carefully before continuing. Once your payment details are in place, confirm your purchase and complete the checkout process. After that, your Copilot Pro subscription should be activated on your Microsoft account. In most cases, access is available quickly, but if it takes a moment to update, simply give it a little time and refresh or sign in again if needed. With your subscription active, you can start using Copilot Pro in supported Microsoft Office apps such as Word or PowerPoint, or by visiting the Copilot web app. From there, you can begin exploring the new AI features designed to help with writing, presentations, and everyday productivity. Thank you for watching this guide, and enjoy boosting your daily productivity with